Every day, I reveal exclusive, insider-only product intel. Subscribe to effortlessly make your hard-earned money count. Counterintuitively, the louder the motor, the smoother the drink, and the Ninja BL610, powered by 1000 watts, proves that myth right. Field data reveal the blade assembly shatters a pound-plus of ice into snow within seconds, turning frozen berries into silk without a hiccup. Signals also show the 72 ounces pitcher fills a family brunch without spilling, the sealed lid holding 64 ounces of liquid at peak volume, and the BPA-free container staying odor-free after repeated dishwasher cycles. Another pattern highlights the 12.5 amp straw staying steady, so the motor never overheats even when tackling tough kale stems. Noise whispers are present, but the speed outweighs the buzz for anyone craving resort-style frozen drinks. Verdict: the high-performance unit shines for busy families and smoothie addicts who demand ice-perfect textures without a mess.